Sneeze. Push air suddenly from the nose. He sneezed because of the dust. I sneeze every morning. Cough. Force air from the throat suddenly. She coughed all night. He covered his mouth while coughing. Hiccup. A sudden sound from the throat. I had hiccups after lunch. She drank water to stop hiccups. Snore. Make noise while sleeping. My dad snores loudly. He stopped snoring after turning. Burp. Let out gas from the mouth. The Tom burped after milk. She burped after drinking soda. Yawn. Open mouth when tired or bored. She yawned during the movie. He yawned again and again. Groan. Low sound in pain or stress. She groaned with back pain. They groaned after hearing the test date. Moan. Soft sound of pain or sadness. She moaned in pain. He moaned after falling. Gargle. Rinse the throat with liquid. She gargled with salt water. He gargles daily in the morning. Whistle. Make a sound using lips. He whistled a tune. She can whistle with her fingers. Sniff. Smell by breathing in quickly. He sniffed the chicken. She sniffed the flowers. Sniffle. Make quiet nose sounds when sick. He sniffled during the cold. The child sniffled while crying. Sigh. Let out a deep breath. She sighed after work. He sighed with relief. Laughter. Sound of laughing. Her laughter was loud. They laughed at the joke. Cry. Let out tears from eyes. The baby cried loudly. She cried after the sad news. Chatter. Teeth knocking together from cold. His teeth chattered in the snow. She chattered in fear. Hum. Make a tune with closed lips. He hummed a song. She hums while cooking. Murmur. Speak very softly. He murmured in his sleep. They murmured to each other. Gasp. Quick breath from surprise or fear. She gasped at the loud noise. He gasped for air after running. Pant. Breathe fast after activity. The men panted in the heat. She was panting after the race. Munch. Eat something noisily. She munched on chips during the movie. She munched cookies loudly. Slurp. Drink or eat with a loud sucking sound. He slurped the noodles. Stop slurping your tea. Gulp. Swallow something quickly. She gulped down the water. He gulped in fear. Spit. Force saliva or something out of the mouth. She spit the gum on the ground. He spit out the bitter medicine. Swallow. Push food or drink down the throat. He swallowed the pill. She swallowed her food quickly.